my name's Ashton.
And my name's Mercy.
And we're going to show you how to make ice cream. First, you pour in a little bit of condensed milk.
And then
you add
2 cups of snow. So because we're making snow ice cream. Now then you pour it in here.
And then you add 1 more scoop.
Yeah, to make it, even. Try to get a big one.
I think that's a little bit too much.
Oh, goody. Okay, and now it's time for you. Like you set down your cup. Add something so it wouldn't come down. And you can add food coloring, any kind of color. But I'm gonna try to put my favorite color.
I'm going to put in blue, my favorite color.
My favorite, I might just add this color, red, I think. I can't really pronounce things as much, so don't blame me. So now you just put a few drops,
like
maybe
2 drops.
Yeah.
4
4
drops.
1, 2,
3, 4.
1, 2, yeah. Man, you got to squirt it and then
Now you stir it.
wait. Ooh, pretty cool.
Whoa! Look at this.
And now you just stir it. Never stop. Stir it for
A while.
maybe like a while, but I don't really know. Don't ask me. Ask someone that's very smart. I'm not really that smart. Well, kind of am, but not so much. But if you guys want, you guys can add one more scoop in here. I would rather put like a small one.
Like this one.
Who knows?
Yeah, who knows?
And now I just can't get this thing out,
It's hard.
And after you're done, then you gotta keep stirring because you want it to look cool.
Make it taste good.
Ooh, mine's turning very pinkish.
Yours is turning pink.
I know. I wasn't even planning that to happen.
Mine is turning like turquoise-ish.
Okay, now you guys keep on stirring and
now it should look like have color like that.
oh, and make sure that it's liquidy because if it's not, then if it's hard, then that'll hurt your teeth. You're like, where are my teeth?
You're supposed to put one more.
More?
Yeah.
It's your recipe. Ready?
Okay.
So you can add how much snow you want, but I want my snow to be
Are you gonna
big.
taste it?
After I
wanna-
want mine to be like thick, like regular ice cream.
And I want
And my sister wants it to be like really, really thick.
I'm the littlest in my family, so if you're the littlest in a family, I don't blame you. Being the littlest is the worst. He's looking at me right now.
Hers is like she has like a cup. And now
It's time for us to go, guys.
bye.
Did you try it first?
No.
No.
Try it.
Oh,
See how it tastes.
it's beautiful.
You like it?
Bye, guys.
Bye. You should try this at home.